Today I'll be showing you how to make this Christmas tree pull-apart cupcake. Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Bakes and Creates. Like I said before, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas tree pull-apart cupcake. So let's get started. First, I will show you how to assemble the cupcakes on the board. Once you've done that, you need to secure it with a dab of icing. Now it's time to decorate the tree stump with some brown buttercream. For that, I used the 1 end piping tip, but for the rest of the icing, I just cut a hole in the tip of the piping bag. Fill in any gaps that you might have. Now use a spatula and roughly smooth out the icing. I used a small angled spatula to make some tree imprints. Now I'm going to mark where I want to put my Christmas tree lights. Now with some white buttercream and a small stud tip, I'm going to run along the lines that I just marked. As you can see, I changed my mind and went straight along the bottom. Now I'm going to place the M&Ms so that they look like light. I drew a star on a piece of paper and put wax paper on top. Then I traced it over with some melted candy melts. Now you're going to wait for it to dry for a couple of minutes until you can put it on the tree like this. I finished by putting some sprinkles on the board so that it doesn't look too plain. And there you have it, your Christmas tree pull-apart cupcakes. If you like this video or you think it helped you, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe. Bye!